finally got my ass out of bed. Hammock. Slightly different configuration now because it's meant to piss down any time now. So I've changed it so the hammock is completely covered and my kit is covered. If you've got your lanyard, string, whatever you want to call it, your parachute cord, if you have it too, then that means you can just tuck it in and it'll hold it in place. It's that simple. If it gets too windy, it'll suck it out. Woohoo! But generally speaking, if you're under tension, like with your bag holding it down, that will keep it in place. So you don't need ropes and ties and strings and things, just tuck it in. And my rubbish ready to be used to start the fire. Oh, and to make sure I kept it out of the reach of evil sheep, I put that in a tree last night. So, coffee time. I tell you, it's a bit bloody nippy out here. Being oven ready is quite cosy. What I might do is use, I don't know, it's actually quite comfy as it is. And if it does get a little bit cold on your hip, if you're lying on your side, then you can always just shove your jumper under your hip. Yeah, that 2 meters by 2 meters is a really good size. Next time, I mean, it was like a minimal risk of rain last night. It did rain a little bit, but this morning, in about an hour, half an hour maybe, it's meant to really piss down. And I am not rushing home. I'd rather hide under the freaking tarp. But next time, there's not a massive weight difference between those two rain tarps and my polytunnel plastic. It's just the plastic's a lot bulkier. So what I might do if it is going to piss down next time, I'm still coming out, definitely. That's my weekly ritual now. Is I'll bring the polyplastic instead, and that way I can, if I do come here, I can lash it up to the trees. What I've got to do, now that I've established my 3 pitches that I'm using, that I've used more than once. I think if I'm going to use it more than once or twice, I may as well make it a little bit more homely. Like having a fire pit. I don't mean digging a big hole in the ground. I mean something like, there's loads of these little slate stones around. I could use those and build somewhere where I could build a fire pit inside of it so I could put my kettle on top. Rather than, that way I won't have to bring me camping stove. I mean, it doesn't take up much space or weigh that much, but every little does count when you're walking. So I could do that there. And one less thing to carry. And there's plenty of stones I can use just to pile them up to make a little chimney. So, yeah. Coffee time.